So guys, please before you get started, click the subscribe button. You can like, share, and also comment. This GBP USD, let's see it from the 4-hour time frame there. There's one movement we all can see. I mean, 4-hour time frame is actually giving us a bearish move, right? Which is actually dropping. So for this analysis, we would want to kind of see like a drop, right, on this our GBP USD. Now take a look at this price movement. See a impulse move. A correction was made, we add another drop again, we add a correction here, we add another drop. Basically we want to follow like this kind of a pattern that is moving. The way this price is moving is exactly how we want to move with it. Like we kind of have, correction, impulse move, correction, impulse move. So basically once we are now here, which is an impulse move, right, downward, we add a correction. What we should be expecting next is another impulse move downward. So basically, if you want to take this trade, I will advise you as a trader that wait till this price break below this huge wick. So I think it should be it should break it around that London section. So basically, to take this trade, actually wait for it. Then now this is it, right? We kind of have this, impulse move, a correction, kind of have impulse move downward, a correction was made. So I mean, we now add another impulse move, then a correction was made. This is where we add this correction, our previous pullback level at that level area. Yes, so we are now on a drop, right? So to enter this trade on this 4-hour time frame, you would have to wait for this price to break below this wick before you enter the trade. That is my analysis, because who knows if this price can actually come to this level close to the lows, then give us a rally movement upward, then give us before we actually have a break below, which possibly might happen. The price movements can happen like that, whereby we have a little bit of a drop, a correction again, and a drop before breaking this low. So to actually enter this trade, to confirm it and not to opt out of this trade, you would have to wait for this price to actually break below this week on the 4-hour time frame on GBP USD before you actually short the trade for the day.